right, y'all, I'm so excited. This is my first this is my first collab. I shall say my first hair company reach out to me. Okay, I'm so excited. This is so freaking exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, they sent me the Rih Locs in 30 inches. Oh, I'm gonna slay these. Oh, I'm gonna slay these. I'm gonna slay this. And this is in color 1B. Shout out to Janet Collection for sending me this hair. Thank you guys so much. And I am going to snap when I do install these locks and the other hair that I have. So I have the Rih Locs. Okay, and I also got the butterfly locks. Okay, this is the Gipsy ones, and and it's in 10-inch, 12, and 14. I've never seen this kind. Like, I didn't know that they make it all in one pack. So you can expect a tutorial on how I do my Gipsy butterfly locks and on how I do my Rih Locs. I'm very excited about these. The Rih Locs are gonna really snap. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be a part of this, and I am definitely gonna snap. Thanks again, Janet's Hair Collection. Guys, these are the products that I will be using throughout this video for this style. Yes, I have my gloves on because my nails are ugly, but those are my two favorite combs. Braiding rack on fleek. Now let's get into these locks, guys. The locks, I want to say they had like maybe 8 to 12 locks in each pack, and I will say that they were kind of hard to put in to insert inside the plait, but the trick to it was to just twist the lock the opposite way just a little bit before inserting it. The inches of these locks is 30 inches, and this is the wrapping hair that I will be using that you see right here. So yeah, this is the hair. It's a water wave. Most of the time I really don't be caring about the brand for the most part, but I like to use this brand and the Freetress. I always get water wave. There was no way around it. I had to put the other glove on. Like, I need a desperate feeling. Yes, I'm just running my fingers through the hair on each end and just separating it and applying it on the rack. Time I see this, I feel accomplished. Every time I get to the top of the rack, I feel accomplished. Look at that. Yeah. Letting you guys know that every time I do my little sister hair, we always argue at least 4 times. So yeah, you will get to see this throughout this video because look at all this hair. It always aggravates me. I'm using my Shine and Jam. I like to kind of coat the hair with the Shine and Jam, and I use it. It really helps me to part the hair. So I really do plan to do a video in the future on how I do my part so perfect. But I do use the Shine and Jam or either the Easy Gel to part the hair. It just make it easier for me to part. Being that the locks are so thick, they're very thick. They actually look a little bigger in person than you see on camera. That's why I'm gonna do her plaits are kind of big so that it can match the locks. So you guys will see as I braid her hair.
He said, I never had a student that even if they get in trouble that they do this now. And I said, well, I'm not able to student. He said, don't ever let nobody say that's about me. I said, yeah, I have. You know Miss Fuller?
Tomorrow, no.
It is like
you gonna make a song? I don't know her.
Those folks that said for office, one of them.
It's the law to not leave your edges out, especially with a protective hairstyle. Like, seriously, if someone is doing your hair and they don't leave your baby hairs out, exit, get up, leave. Feeling of doing that last plaits. Oh, we have our plaits completed, and now we're about to start inserting the locks. Now, I did say that inserting the locks was a little hard to insert, so what I did was I just kind of twisted the opposite way a little bit before inserting it.
dirty hurt straight up, straight up, straight up.
I feel like the reason you be trying to cuss me, I call like my dad. Is that true? She decided to get quiet, so I guess so.
Tell you that this mousse don't miss. This is my favorite mousse, and this is my favorite part of any style that I do is putting the mousse up there. Just look at it. My favorite edge control to use, the easy edge control. It doesn't leave any white residue, and it definitely lays the girl's hairs down. The edges be definitely on slim. Like, girl, I'm trying to get this stuff off your hair so it don't look greasy. What?